Hey guys, it's me Sujoy over here. I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be talking about how to make $10,000 fast with System.io. Now, for most of you, if you don't know what System.io, they're basically an alternative sales funnel software to ClickFunnels. You can create a free System.io account. If you're having a startup business or if you want to start an online business, you can create a free sales funnel or a free landing page with System.io. So today I'm just going to focus about this exclusive masterclass, which is being organized by System.io. So I'm right now on this page over here, on this on this landing page. So here you can get instant access to the video series. So this is going to be a three-part masterclass. So the part one is going to be the exact blueprint for an $11,000 launch. Part two, how to get 90 recurring customers with a simple funnel step. Part three, how to use System.io to power your entire launch. So if you're someone who's looking to make money with System.io, or you want to have a successful online business and make $10,000 fast, what you can do is you can just create a free account for this masterclass. So I'm just going to be saying test1 at gmail.com. So, so I've already gone through the masterclass, but I'm just walking you through, this masterclass over here. So I think let's just do Sujoy. Dot, see if I can get an access over here. Okay. So this is just for the demonstration purposes. But when you put in your email, you can put your Gmail address, or if you have Yahoo. So you can see that these are three-part masterclass. How to do an $11,000 launch with System.io. So you have a three-part video series. So part one, the exact blueprint for an $11,000 launch. Part two, how to get 90 recurring customers with a simple funnel step. And part three is how to use System.io to power your entire launch. Okay. So remember, these are free video series which you can access, and of course, you can create a free account with System.io. So primarily, this three-part video series is going to teach you exactly the proven blueprint for you to start an online business, and how you can, successfully generate $10,000 fast using System.io. So I'm going to keep a link down in the description below for you to join, to join up for this exclusive masterclass. And also, if you like watching this video, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I highly recommend you attend this free masterclass because I found it to be very insightful. And of course, when you're setting up this business, you're going to be implementing System.io. You can create a free account with System.io. So I highly recommend that you check out these three video series from this masterclass. So with that being said, you guys have a great day. This was me, Sue Joy. Peace out.